Namaste. Today we will be practicing feeling the energy flow within our bodies. We will do a simple Tantric Pranayama practice. This practice is known as Pancha Pranayama. For best results, repeat this practice daily until you can tune in to the energy flow throughout your body. Start by sitting in a comfortable seated position. First, we will sense the flow of prana moving upwards from your diaphragm to your throat and back down. Place your hands in the prana mudra, touching the thumb, middle finger, and ring finger together. Focus on your upper chest. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, repeat the mantra Om Prana-ay Swaha 3 times. Inhale to chant Om Prana-ay Swaha. Om Prana-ay Swaha. Om Prana-ay Swaha. Now bring your awareness to below your diaphragm, the flow of Apana energy. Apana moves downwards from your diaphragm to your lower abdomen and back up. Place your hands in the Apana mudra, touching the thumb, middle finger, and index finger together. Awareness on the lower abdomen. We will repeat the mantra Om Apana-ay Swaha 3 times. Inhale deeply. Om Apana-ay Swaha. Om Apana-ay Swaha. Om Apana-ay Swaha. Bring your awareness to your middle abdomen. The Samana energy moves from left to right and right to left across your abdomen. It is where the prana and apana meet and form an energetic spark. For the Samana mudra, place your thumb, pinky finger, and ring finger together. Awareness on the diaphragm. We will repeat the mantra Om Samana-ay Swaha 3 times. Inhale to chant Om Samana-ay Swaha. Om Samana-ay Swaha. Om Samana-ay Swaha. Bring your awareness to your limbs. The Udana energy flows in a spiral pattern down and up your arms, legs, and neck. Bring your thumb together with all your fingers except your little finger. Awareness on the limbs. The energy is flowing as a spiral. Repeat the mantra Om Udanai-ay Swaha 3 times. Inhale to chant Om Udanai-ay Swaha. Om Udanai-ay Swaha. Om Udanai-ay Swaha. The Vyana energy flows from the head to the toes and the toes to the head. It travels throughout your whole body. All 5 fingers together, awareness on the whole body. Repeat the mantra, Om Vyana-ay Swaha 3 times. Inhale to chant, Om Vyana-ay Swaha. Om Vyana-ay Swaha. Om Vyana-ay Swaha. Take a moment to feel the effect of Pancha Pranayama. Feel the flow of subtle energy throughout your whole body. Gently rub your palms together. Transfer the heat to your closed eyes. Bring your hands to your heart center. May your head, hands, and heart be in alignment. Hari Om Tat Sat.